Hi guys, tonight is easy peasy. I'm making a nice body wash. It's going to be nice and moisturizing and silky for the skin. And I have all my ingredients measured out, at least most of it. And I'm just going to heat this up. I have some water in here. In here I have the two main ingredients, cocoa benzene and SCI. So I'm just gonna heat this up and I'll bring you guys back. Okay, I'm back with my, this is, oh, it's very hot. And I have to somehow get this. It's very hot. I'm trying to get this to scoop it into here. That's what I'll do. Okay, I think I should move this over. I did something wrong here. I sure did. I'm gonna put it back into the microwave to heat up anyways. That's what I'm gonna do, and I'll bring it back. Okay, so I did finish emptying my mix all into this pot here. And it's all heated up. I think I'll put another water, a bit more water with this, because I want it to be very loose. I don't want it to harden up, because I'm going for that creamy lotion. And I don't put mine over an ice bath because I prefer it for it to solidify by itself instead of me doing that. Yeah, it's gonna need a bit more.